Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to withdraw US dollars from Binance. First, ensure you are logged into your verified Binance account. Head over to your wallet, specifically the Fiat and Spot section. Here, you will see your various currency balances. Find your US dollar balance and click the Withdraw button next to it. This initiates the process, guiding you through the necessary steps to get your funds. It's a straightforward start to accessing your fiat currency. Next, you'll need to select how you want to receive your US dollars. Common options include bank transfers, like ECH or SWIFT, depending on your region. Carefully input the precise amount of US dollars you intend to withdraw. Before confirming, always take a moment to review the displayed withdrawal fees and the estimated processing time. These details are crucial for planning and understanding when your funds will arrive in your bank account. Now it's time to confirm your withdrawal. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including your bank name, account number, and routing number. It is absolutely critical to double-check every single detail you enter to avoid any delays or issues with your funds. Finally, you will complete the necessary security verification, which might involve a two-factor authentication code, ensuring your transaction is secure. To ensure a smooth withdrawal, remember a few key tips. Always make sure the name on your bank account exactly matches the name on your Binance account. Discrepancies can cause significant delays. Also, be mindful of the daily withdrawal limits, which can differ based on your verification level. While some withdrawals are fast, allow for typical processing times, often between 1 and 3 business days, for your funds to arrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.